Welcome to section 7 of the course, which is working with time series data. In this section, we will learn what is the need for time series analysis with proc time series procedure using e-commerce dataset as an example, options available in time series analysis, how to read date and date time values, and at the end, we will look at building an ARIMA model for sales data of FMCG industry. We will see how to estimate and forecast using the sales data and understand stationary and non-stationary series. Let's begin with the need for time series analysis. There are various datasets available which include time. To clarify, some of the examples of such datasets are daily orders of an e-commerce company, minimum daily temperatures of any city over number of years, daily number of births in any country, number of tickets sold by an airline in a month. All these datasets include time variant, that is, they can be recognized by year and month. So to analyze these types of datasets, time series analysis is used. A time series is simply a series of data points ordered in time. In a time series, time is often the independent variable, and the goal is usually to make a forecast for the future. Time series is mainly used for following purposes: making forecast for the future based on historic time interval data, listing the observations of any dataset or datasets in time order, identifying the patterns in the data which is correlated, understanding and modeling the data, and forecasting short-term and long-term trends.